If you're planning a trip to Coorg and want a good resort under 10,000 rupees per night, you actually have a lot of strong options. This price range is considered the sweet spot in Coorg, where you get a mix of plantation stays, scenic views, and decent luxury without overspending. But the key is choosing the right location. Coorg is divided into three main areas: Madikeri, South Coorg, and Kushalnagar, and each one offers a different experience. Let's start with Madikeri, which is the main tourist hub. If you want easy access to attractions like Raja Seat and Abbey Falls, this is the best area. One good option here is Woodstock Resorts. It offers duplex villas, a peaceful setting, and is just a few kilometers from the main town. It also has a popular cafe inside, which makes it a good choice for younger travelers or couples. Another option is Hillcrest Resort, which stands out because it offers jacuzzi suites at around 6,000 rupee range, which is rare in this budget. If you are looking for something cheaper, Coorg Heights Resort starts around 3,000 rupees, mainly focusing on location rather than luxury. Now let's move to South Coorg, which includes areas like Virajpet and Ammathi. This is where you get the best plantation-style resorts and views. One of the best options here is Coorg Cliffs Resorts. It is located at a high elevation and offers panoramic valley views and an infinity pool, which is usually the highlight of the stay. Many packages here include meals, which actually saves money if you're staying in a remote area. Another strong option is Amritara Ambati Greens Resort. This resort overlooks a golf course and offers a more premium feel compared to others in this price range. It is quieter and more suitable for couples or people looking for a relaxed stay. For a more nature-focused experience, the Porcupine Castle is a great choice. It is located inside a 300-acre coffee plantation, making it ideal for birdwatching and a peaceful stay. This is one of the best options if you want a true plantation experience under budget. Now let's look at Kushalnagar, which is the entry point to Coorg. This area is more convenient if you're traveling from Bangalore. One of the best resorts here is Purple Palms Resort and Spa. It offers spa facilities, large rooms, and easy access to places like the Golden Temple. Another option is Parampara Resort, which is good for families and offers activities like bonfires and cultural performances. There are also budget-friendly nature stays like Lazo Areka Resort, which offer basic rooms with access to streams and greenery at very low prices. Now let's talk about pricing. Most resorts in this category range between 5,000 rupee to 10,000 rupee per night. However, prices change a lot based on the season. From October to February, prices increase by up to 50%. From June to September, which is monsoon season, you can get the best deals, sometimes 30% cheaper. Another important tip is to choose resorts that include meals. Many plantation resorts offer MAP plans, which include breakfast and dinner. This can save you money because most of these resorts are located far from restaurants. In simple terms, the best resort in Coorg under 10,000 depends on your travel style. If you want central location and easy access, choose Madikeri options like Woodstock or Hillcrest. If you want views and premium experience, Coorg Cliffs is one of the best. If you prefer quiet plantation stays, Porcupine Castle is a strong choice. And if you want spa and convenience, Purple Palms works well. Coorg stands out because even under 10,000 rupees, you can get scenic views, plantation stays, and resort-level comfort, which is hard to find in most hill stations. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount.